Hey guys, Danny here. Today we are looking at another pair of earbuds. These were sent to me from Geek Buying for review. As always, if you want to pick these up, I will put a link down in the description for you. Now let's get one thing out of the way straight away because I'm sure you're thinking it too. This product has a very strange name and I'm not going to go into that. What I will say, however, is whoever was in charge of the marketing of this product and especially the name, you might want to rethink that slightly. But let's move past that for now and talk about what the product is actually about and what it can do, because I've actually been pleasantly surprised with how well it worked. When I first received this, I was kind of thinking, yeah, this isn't going to be very good, but it actually was, so definitely stick around if this product interests you at first glance. So you'll notice it has this little mechanism here where when you press this button, the top part of the case opens up and you can then spin the lid to get access to the earbuds. It's definitely different. I don't think this style of design is needed, but it does make it stand out from other products. And the sheer amount of earbuds that I've been reviewing lately and how fast they're churning these things out, I can see why the manufacturers want them to be a little bit different in any way possible. But the actual earbuds themselves are a little bit different too because they are really compact. These are some of the smallest and lightest that I've used, but they do pack a pretty powerful punch also when you're actually listening to music. They're using a pretty stealthy design. They're just an all black color and they are using touch capacitive buttons on the side, and they use the standard sort of controls that you would expect. Because of its shape and design, these earbuds are using a pretty small battery at 500 milliamps an hour. So you aren't going to get a ton of charges out of this case. So that is one thing you do need to bear in mind. Quite often charging cases now are going up to 3,000 to 4,000 milliamp hours at the most. So you do have to bear that in mind if you want the charging case to get you through a whole week and you are quite a heavy user. A standard 4 LED system is used on the side to let you know the charging status of the device. And this is also using USB-C. So for those of you who are looking to move all of your stuff over to the latest USB technology, this is also a plus. These are also one of the few pairs that I've tried that support QI wireless charging, so you can top up the battery that way. Do note that you only get about 4 charges out of this case, and the earbuds themselves will last about 2 to 2.5 hours on a full charge. So these aren't going to last you all week if you're using them regularly. Before we talk about the sound quality, I want to quickly talk about the connectivity, and these are as you would expect from any other pair of earbuds. Take them out of the case and they will go into pairing mode if you haven't already paired them with your phone. If you already have, then they will simply automatically connect. The connectivity was solid. I didn't have any dropping out or any loss of quality, and I got a decent range on these as well. So the connectivity couldn't be any simpler and was solid as you would expect. I am using Bluetooth version 5. If you are using an older version of Bluetooth, you may have a little bit less reliability, but overall you shouldn't really have any problems. So as I normally would, I took these earbuds to the gym with me to do some testing, and this is a good place because there's a lot of noise that can easily drown out the earbuds if they don't seal your ears properly and aren't loud enough. And it's also good to test for general connectivity, as this is the type of place where people will be using Bluetooth also. And I'm happy to report that the sound quality of these really did surprise me because of how they looked and their cost. I wasn't expecting them to sound as good as they did. They were very clear and had a good bass. Not the best bass that I've heard, but definitely up there, so this did surprise me quite a bit. These earbuds are currently selling for about £30 on Geek Buying. It does say that they are on sale. At this sort of price, I don't think these are a bad option. You have to bear in mind that these aren't going to give you exceptional battery life, but they do have a unique design. The charging case is quite small and the earbuds themselves are really lightweight and fit in your ears pretty snugly. They're definitely some of the smallest earbuds that I've seen, but they still produce a nice sound quality and decent level of bass. So if that appeals to you, then these might be an option for you. But I do think there are some more balanced products out there which will give you a nice balance of sound quality, battery life and a compact size. So I'm going to have to leave that up to you, but I am making my way through these earbuds one pair at a time so I can give you the best options and the best advice and let you make your own decision. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.